I'm not a rapper, B, I ski Uzis. And I can't act, turned down 3 movies. Got 3 groupies, took from 3 goofies. It's a rap here, we gon' pin them 3 doobies. Yo, respect the crooks, respect the look. One leg out the drop, like respect the foot. Before you get the watch, go respect the book. If you get got, you got, just respect the jokes, nigga. They still unaware of this red cat, putting up red stats, ready to tear tracks. Ever since a kid, bubble bears and Air Max. When you do it big, be prepared for fair facts, a fair fact. Like what's up, high, sun down when we run by, the gun high. Nick with the cannon, sound like a drum line. We front line, front you and ready, make sure to come by. The flow deadly for Mo Fetty, it's only one eye. This for the shooters, cocaine coppers, movers, not name droppers. Always quick to step on the scale like Weight Watchers. Mix the Tom Brown with Chanel, go plane watchers, go chain rockers, flame choppers, can't stop us. We be the council, high nigga, that's me, 2 fly niggas. Bank Matthews, Dave Hyatt, I'm high fishing. Take raffles, wish buy a surprise winner. More birds than air fryer, surprise dinners.
My ride's vicious, talk money, my mind switches. VVS and wine dishes, big nose, disguise witness. Lost too many on the journey, yeah, glad I'm alive, bitches. Bitch, you can't line me up with God's clippers. A nigga tell he need 999 stitches. What time I'm stronger, my glow is my body armor. Dog, your favorite rapper can't see these hands just like he Honda. 20 bodies every state, 30 grand in my Nike joggers. About 100 niggas pillaged in cities, we might be fathers. Through all adversity, I'ma get it regardless. I'm back to shining, performing with accurate timing. Look back at the lack reclining. 13 was cracking diamonds. Rap game has been clowning the fuck out. Ecstatic, it's back to rhyming. Put your motherfucking cup up and toast to this masterminding. Money talks, big pack of diamonds. Don't catch a beating sore. Window is thick as either or. Nothing you seen before. The bag I'm in is 14 keys or raw. About style, I can teach you more. Meters stuck up the sneaker store. Took me 3 weeks or more. Stolen out of the 4 Seasons door. Ain't no catching up, nigga. You see the score.
We true New Yorkers and Gucci joggers. I move through Harlem. Consignment flow like I got it from Fritz. I'm cool as autumn. Recruited sponsors that pull up in trucks that move like Tonka. Hit the States and became great. I feel like Luka Doncic. Fruit of my labor, delivered it rotten. Made sure I stayed close to a bill like Hillary Rodham. Grew up as menaces, had continuous issues and problems. Asking about pistols, we got them. Used to be the playground, now bitches we swing them and slide them. How could you beef with your partner? Shape up to the feet, designer. Wake up with a freak named Tanya. Makeup on my sheet, she wildin'. Taking out, I'm eating Italian. Trick what? Lace who? Nah, that ain't what Dave do. If you was about your paper, they'd have paid you. Ungrateful is the worst trait. I got on some shit, it's hard to pronounce what my shirt say. I caught the slime flu. At the same time, I hunger for more. In front of the store, jacket, army fatigue. It looked like I wanted a war. In front of your board, niggas will rob you. Somebody killed you, hitting your poor. Run through your city like we still on tour. Count up $1 million right on the floor. I got the spirit of Mr. Shakur. Spit in the camera, swear you ain't got all the answers. Watch who you letting in circle. I see niggas turning to cancer. How you tell them about Bobby Sale? They never heard of the Panthers. Question after question about this life, I deserve me some answers. College dropout, serving the campus, deserve me a mansion.